Hello everyone! Want to add interactive layers to images and provide information without cluttering the visuals on your Gutenberg website? Then this video is for you. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how to configure an image hotspot on a Gutenberg website with Essential Blocks. Before getting started, make sure you have installed and activated Essential Blocks and Essential Blocks Pro on your WordPress website. Now, navigate to the Essential Blocks dashboard, then select the Blocks tab. There, toggle the image hotspots to enable the block. Let's see how to configure the image hotspots on your Gutenberg website. From your page editor, select the section where you want to add the image hotspots. Select the block from the right sidebar and click on the image icon to add an image. After that, click on Add Hotspot button and select the areas where you want to show the information. Go to the sidebar and from the Image Hotspot section, add Content, Position, and Tooltip. From the Content tab, you can add an icon, text, a number, or a dot. To add information, enable the Tooltip from the Tooltip tab. There, add the title and content as the information. You can also add a URL to a link. Similarly, add an icon and Tooltip title and content for the remaining two hotspots. You will find the marker animation, where you can add different animated effects to the hotspot. Next, go to the tooltip to specify the position of the information. If you want to make the tooltip always visible, then enable the button. Otherwise, disable it. You can find the option to choose the trigger, whether you want to show the tooltip on hover or the other effects. You can also choose an animation from there. Then, from the Style tab, choose a different hotspot style, customize background or content color, tooltip content, icon color, and many more. Click on the Save button to save the changes. Let's have a look at how the image hotspots will look on your website. There, you can see that after hovering on the icon of the image, the information will show according to your configuration. Tell us more in the comments about which new feature you want to see in the Essential Blocks. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy designing!